Bro, this needs to like go away, honestly. Ugh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be, I had to make sure that it is recording, and it definitely is. But today's video is going to be another Disney princess inspired makeup look, I guess. So I had a lot of fun making the Rapunzel inspired look. So today I thought I would do another one. Being said, I am going to be doing the wonderful, the none other than Princess Tiana today. We are going to start with the eyes, and let's just get this baby rolling. Okay? First is first. You already know on this channel, we prime the eyes using some concealer. So I'm going to, I'm going to start with the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Camouflage. What is this? Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Concealer, and I am in the shade Light. And I'm going to take this, put it on my eyelid, and blend it in with Beauty. Oh, just kidding. I'm going to blend it in with a Morphe M173. If you guys hear noise in the background, it is, you know, my Grey's Anatomy that I am rewatching. And spoiler alert, Soft Glam palette, taking this color right here to set with the Soft Glam palette. And I'm going to pick up the shade Orange Soda right here on a Profusion brush. And we're going to use this as the transition color, just to make it nice and, you know, blend it a little bit. Not too much orange, just a tad bit. And then I'm going to go into this shade right here called Burnt Orange. And use this also on top of the Orange Soda shade. Just a little lightly. Morphe M576 brush. Bro, what's going on with you, Anissa? And I'm going to dive into this shade right here. And I'm going to blend this into the crease. Not too high, but not too low into the crease. Just, you know, kind of in between. Just so I can get a little bit of brown going on here. And just going back and forth is the Take Me Back to Brazil BH Cosmetics palette. And I'm going to start off with this green color here. And I'm going to take it on a Morphe M411 brush. Just a little bit, just a tad bit. And see how this blends into the crease. And I'm just going to continue to work this color up into the crease until I get it to about the color that I am looking for. So just continue going back and forth, starting from the outer corner, working your way into the inner corner. The Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe, and I'm going to pick up this shade right here, which I believe is called Enchanted. I no longer have the like little paper that she sent in with this. I don't know the color name, but it is this color right here. Beautiful color. And I'm taking it on the same Morphe M411 brush. And putting it out here in the outer corner. Mainly focus it out here. Continue to build up these colors until you like what you are seeing. If you feel like there needs to be more, definitely put more, girl. Do you, boo boo. But if you feel like you're on the less side, like, okay, it's there, but it's not really there, then definitely do that as well. You know, just play to your comfort zones here. It's really all just about expressing yourself. And, you know, if you like dark or if you like a lot of eyeshadows on your eyelid, go for it, girl. If you like one eyeshadow on your eyelid, go for it, girl. Like, it don't matter, do you? Do you? Ain't that right, Max? Mm-hmm. He agrees. He knows. So I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe M5, what's this, 7.6 brush, and just continue to blend. Make sure there's really no harsh lines and it is effortless and smooth. I'm gonna pick up a smidge of this color down here, just a tiny bit, and blend it into the crease just to get some color there, some light green bluish there. I'm going to take the Magic by Juvia's palette and I'm going to take this stunning, absolutely stunning color and put that on the lid. And I'm going to take my Profusion brush. I'm just going to, you know, zip into here. Bruh. Okay. And we're going to put this into the center, not all the way to the lid. I'm just going to mainly focus it in the center of the eye and then leave a little portion right there for some color, something else. Now, Tiana does have a little bit of gold, just a little bit. I think a smidget of gold. So what I'm going to do is take a Anastasia's brush and I'm going to pick up this shade right. I'm going to pick up this shade right here in the Juvia's palette and just put it out here in the outer corner. Just a smidget. Just a smidge. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to place some eyeliner on with some lashes and I'll be back in a second. Eyeliner is on, wings, lashes are on. Now, time for some foundation. Today, I'm going to be using, drum roll please, none other than the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer in the shade Buttermilk. And I'm going to shake it up just a little bit. And I really like this foundation because of the little like fat dollop, you know? And it's really full coverage and really what lasts on my skin. Okay, so I'm just going to spray it. My brush and is the Morphe RG6 brush. And I really like this brush to blend in my foundation. I just think it like really covers it up really nice. And it doesn't leave my skin as streaky as most brushes do, which is nice. So I just, you know, buff it in with the brush and then I do go over it again with the Beauty Blender just because sometimes I feel like I can get a little heavy-handed with the foundation. And if I feel like there's a lot on here, then what am I trying to say here, Anissa? Okay, if I feel like I put too much foundation on, just go over it, you know, just a little bit. So for under eyes, I'm going to keep it really light because I do have foundation, which can act as a concealer as well. So I'm going to keep it really light, and I'm going to go with the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin. And then I go in with my Beauty Blender and just blend it in. And then I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Make a Glow Contouring Palette in the shade Dulce de Leche. And I'm going to pick up this banana shade. It's kind of hard to see with all the lights, but this banana shade right here. And my Beauty Blender. And just press it underneath the eyes to add some highlight to the face. And then to set the rest of the face, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in the shade Light. And I'm going to take that on a Morphe brush and just press it into the skin. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm going in with the Butter Bronzer in the shade Sunkissed Bronzer is what the name is called. I'm going to take that. I'm going to take this on my Morphe PK14 and just run it over my forehead, my temples. You know, for highlight, I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Casey Holmes highlight palette. This is her pearl one. I'm going to pick up these two shades here. For eyebrows, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Retractable Brow Pencil Crayon in medium brown. I'm not going to lie, because I want to give an honest opinion. I want to give an honest opinion about this product. I originally used eyebrow pencils for like the longest time. And then I realized that it just took too long. I ran out of product a lot and I'd have to keep going and getting more. So then I switched to brow pomade, which lasts me a lot longer. I decided to buy this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. One, because it was affordable. It was only like $3, I think, or $2. And two, because I wanted to try a new pencil. So I tried it, and right off the bat, I did not like it. I was like, oh my gosh, like, I thought, like, this is why I don't use pencils anymore. This is why I stick to brow pomade. And I was just like in my head all the time. Well, then I decided to try it again, give it a second shot. Maybe I didn't know how to use it at first. So, so I tried it again. I actually really like it. I do use it from time to time other than my brow pomade for like a quick, fill in. But I like the shape of it. It is let me see if I can retract it more. It is a like nice blade kind of shape, which is nice for it to get like right under the eyebrow. What time the air kicks on? Lord Jesus, it is hot in here. So I'm going to set everything in real quick with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. One, because it's hot as heck in here. And two, because I just want to let it dry in for a little bit. So then, while that dries in, I'm going to do the under eyes. Going back into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and picking up this green shade here. Running that under my lower lash line. And then with the same brush, I'm going to dive into the Jaclyn Hill palette, pick up this dark shade, actually a different brush, pick up this dark shade on a more flat-headed brush, and run this really, really tight to the lower lash line. Christmas, The Grinch, with Jim Carrey, where he's like, ooh, ooh, ah. That's it, I'm not going. That is my favorite movie. Hi, Tickens! Hi, Zugs! Jumping back into the Magic by Juvia's palette and taking this gold shade, putting that into the inner corner. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And then for lips, I'm going to keep it really, really neutral. and just go in with a gloss. And this is the Ulta Beauty Shiny Sheer Gloss in Bare. Just kidding, I'm not done. I need to add mascara. Mascara. I always forget mascara. Always. So I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex little mini one for the lower. So that is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look because I'm having so much fun doing Disney-inspired princess looks. So I think I did, you know, pull this Tiana look off. I really like the greens that are going, the browns, the gold. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to give this a thumbs up.